Hi everyone, I'm here again to review the most famous Karachi Bakeries Usmania biscuits. Now this one are salty, a little bit salty, and here it says that they are soft and buttery. So I'll be reviewing this, and the next thing which I'll be reviewing is the Duke's Utsav Danish butter cookies. So let's see, it has a very fancy packing. So let's see which one tastes better. And this Karachi Usmania biscuits is one of the most famous bakeries in India which manufactures this. It's 150 rupees for 400 grams. Okay, fair enough. And coming to the next, this one is 310 rupees for 400 grams. So since it has a very fancy packing, I think the charges is almost double than what is of Usmania biscuits. So let's see which one tastes better. Since both of them are butter cookies, this might be a little sweet, but this is a little salty, and I have tasted this before, but I really wanted to review it here because it's one of the best cookies which I have ever had. Melt in mouth. They just melt in mouth the moment you place it inside your mouth. And let's see as to this one is better than the other, or this one is better than this. Let's open and see. The packaging is decent, not too very fancy or not too very sober, so yeah, it's good enough. So you have this. And the good thing is, with this minimal packing also, the biscuits are not damaged. They are not at all damaged. In spite of having, you know, the decent simple packing, they make sure that the cookies are not damaged. So this is a good thing. Okay, so this is a cookie. The moment you take one bite, you feel like taking more and more bites. That is what I love about this cookie. You are never satisfied with just one bite. And these are best options for tea time snacks, especially with tea or with coffee. It's awesome. The good thing about this is it just melts in mouth, and there are traces of, you know, saltiness, lightly sprinkles of salt that you can feel on your taste buds, and buttery texture of it, which you just love it because it complements the buttery texture a lot. The saltiness, the sprinkles of salt complements the buttery texture, and it kind of balances it on your taste buds, and you just love that. Now let's see what this is, how this will be. Half of the money I think they have costed for the packaging. Okay, so as they had showed here, the same are the cookies here. They are not assorted, they are just butter cookies. So let's see, this one is unique. So let's see as to how it tastes. In fact, all the cookies taste the same, just the shapes are different, that's it. It's a little hard when compared to Usmania biscuits, but yeah, fair enough, it's good. It's just like any other bakery cookie or the biscuit that you purchase from bakery, sweet butter biscuits that you purchase. and it has hints of coconut in it. Like you can feel that you're having a hint of coconut is there in the cookie when you bite it. You definitely, they have put butter, but it's a little bit not as melt in mouth as Usmania biscuit is, but yeah, it's good enough. It's simple butter cookie that is not very soft, that is a little hard. And again, here you have, for this biscuit, they have sprinkled sugar on it. It's the same taste, only the sugar is sprinkled on top. No changes. Almost all of them are just the same, and the shapes are different. And here the packaging is nice, wherein you can remove a particular chamber of it like this. Each chamber has approximately 4. So you can remove it from it or place it inside, and you have airtight. Here also the same. Yeah, it's 4. So you have airtight lid. So no wonder they have charged 310 for these cookies. So yeah, fair enough. It's kind of fancy, which you can give it as a gift to anyone, as a return gift or as a gift, because its packaging is good. And again, after eating, you can just close the lid, close this paper and then close this lid on it. So yeah, they are airtight and you can keep it for a very long time, but that's not the case in Usmania biscuits. Once you open, it will be, you will have to shift these biscuits to airtight containers. So anyways, out of both, I think I'll give a thumbs up to Usmania biscuits, because it's cost friendly, it is affordable, and at the same time it's worth the money, because you cannot resist yourself with just one bite. That is what I guarantee. And I really wish these could be much more softer, and I really wish they would have assorted ones. But yeah, fair enough, it's fine. But I have liked more the Usmania biscuits. Nothing can beat this, seriously. I just love them. For now, bye.